You're going to love the 2010 Mini Cooper. This two-door, four-passenger hatchback provides exceptional value. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.